Hello everybody, welcome back to another video where today I will be scaring my little brother and sister by putting this walkie-talkie downstairs in the living room, and they aren't going to know what it is, but they're going to hear someone talking in the living room. And I'm going to set the camera up in a hidden spot. I'll get back to you when it's all set up.
You should draw on it.
Alright, I'm gonna be upstairs, guys.
Who's that? Peter, I need your help. I'm dying.
What? What's wrong?
I'm dying. Help me, I'm dying. Ethan, why do you have your camera there?
Oh, it's not even on. Oh. I just been setting it down. Because I got stuff to do upstairs. Hey!
Well? Can I let you look the walkie-talkie?
No, they're not yours.
Is that right?
They're not yours, which means that you can't touch them. How'd you find it so fast? Oh, I'm going to take them back upstairs.
No! Father's gonna go play ice.
Where's the other walkie-talkie?
I don't know. Where'd you put it?
I put it in here.
Did you say you wanted to talk to me?
What?
Did you say you wanted to talk to me then?
Where is it? I don't know.
You can find the walkie-talkie. Ethan, wherever you are, I don't know if you can hear us.
What's going on?
We can't find the walkie-talkie, and we can't hear you.
The walkie-talkie's upstairs.
You let it go? You can't talk to each other?
No. Both of the walkie-talkies are upstairs where I put them.
Well, how can we hear you?
You just look, here's one of the walkie-talkies right here.
Oh,
hey Palmer, hey Palmer, look, button. Hey Palmer, hey Palmer. See, it doesn't work.
You have it off.
Oh, it's not on. Look.
How could you talk to us?
Fun. Seriously, look. It's on. Hey Palmer, hey. I'm pressing the button. Get off of here. I'm just gonna shut the camera off. No, don't bother me. Hey, what's that noise? Oh, dang it. I got you. I totally really got you.
Yeah.
I got you, Palmer. Didn't I? I got you good. I got you at first. You thought it was actually someone outside the window, didn't you? I know you checked. I'm gonna look through the camera footage.
No, I did not check. You look at the camera footage? And I did not check.
Yeah, recorded.
Yeah? Listen, this time can I talk to you and do a trick?
No.
Why?
I was tricking you on purpose, you know.
Can I trick you though? Because I've got something to do.
It's right behind you. Alright, I got both the walkie-talkies and I'm going upstairs to my stuff. Now leave me alone.
Hey, Ethan, we know the walkie-talkie is. We know where it is. Found it! Yeah. Ethan, I will kill you! Yeah. Abort! Hey! 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 Abort! 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 We found it! We found it!
Give it to you. It's not
It's my older brother. He's so dumb. He doesn't even know what he's saying.
She's stupid. She's mentally disabled.
Hey, I love you! I found it again! You can stop that thing!
Thank you so much for watching another video on my channel.
You also
Bye!